G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider out doing some test riding. Got the new 18-inch KTM 890 wheel on the rear of my 2008 Suzuki V-Strom 650. A couple of weeks ago we did about a 320k day. Performed really well over a lot of rocky tracks. Went really good. So with the new changed sprockets, cush drive rubbers, everything felt so much smoother, but it really highlighted how bad my suspension linkage bearings were. So I've just replaced all those. Swing arm come out and just got grease, those bearings were okay. So yeah, we're just out trying to get some test riding in before the rain comes. Righto, down we go. Just a dodgy old hill, this one. Lots of tree roots and rocks and little lumps and bumps. Jump up here out the road. There's a big gully down here. There you go. Bit of a tree growing out of his roof racks. Oh no, this is a nasty hill. You know what she looks like today. She collects a fair bit of water in the bottom of it too. I think I'll go for the centre. Yeah, we'll go centre. That left's really, really boggy. I think I'm just going to have to go through this mud here. We'll waddle it through. Yeah, she's... Oh. Yeah, she's soft as this shit. Yeah, that looks like nothing. Check that out. Little tiny mud puddle. I know that's really soft. Probably could have went through the centre maybe. I can see a tyre track up there. I'm going to aim for that. I know we've gone through here when it's full of water and we rode along that edge. You'd probably go around to the right there too if you wanted. We'll go this way though. Up the berm. Whoa, that's a big hole. Stay out of that one. We're going to take a right here. Oh shit, it's really nice down there when the creek's flowing. But I doubt it will be today. This is quite a tight, rough track. Oh, there's the fallen tree. I'll come in at a bad angle. There's another truck up that way. And we stay out of this one. I have checked it, it's very, very deep. Righto, next spot. This is Sacy Creek campground number 3. I was doing some work here last time I was out here. Let's go have a look what they're up to. Ooh, new causeway. So there used to be a road through here and it got washed away in a flood a few years back. So we've got a new one coming in. That's where I normally go, and there's a massive hill. I think we go this way. Yeah, this is the one. Check this out. If we go over to the right here, there's a pretty good track down. God, this gets slippery out here when it's wet. Man, oh man. I'm gonna go to the left. We've got far left. We've got 3 or 4 options there. Yeah, I've stacked it here, right in between these 2 ruts. It's slid out. Anyway, up this way. There we are. Oh wow. Oh, there's blue waters. Looking very green. Cool. Alright, let's see what this mud pit's like down here. This stuff's soft. Righto, down the hill, off to our right. There we are. Bottom end of blue waters. This was left over from an old mine. Looks like there's something sunk out there. I don't know if it's just a log or what. You can see like a pier there. Anyway, we're here to talk bikes. Yeah, bike went really well. Happy with that. Wheels working great. New chain and sprockets is all good, and the new suspension linkage is much better. She's got a bit of a workout today. Got some fresh mud on it. Righto, we're going to leave it at that for this one. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I shall see you next time.